What it do, it's your boy Troy, man. I just had to put some air in my tire. In that back tire. So I ain't really told nobody, but I bought a Monte Carlo. The one from training day. I wanted the SS, but I took this one because it got T-tops. And man, I'm drop top Troy. I'm sunroof Troy. Now I'm finna be T-top Troy. But man, I ain't never even told nobody about this car, man. It's kind of been a secret to everybody, cause I'm finna mess the game up. But man, the guy who I'm getting it from, he from my hood. We grew up on the same street, so it's almost like keeping it in the family. Y'all know I was doing the Mustang. We still gonna do the Mustang up, man. I'm still wide body kidding that. We still airbagging that, turbo and all of that. But I'm putting that to the side. I wanna jump directly into this Monte Carlo. It is freezing. Why is it so cold, bro? Dude, I had my top down yesterday. Anyway, we finna slide, go out there, see what we talking about. We pulling up right now. We are at an undisclosed location. No, I'm putting it to you like that. Can't show you everything, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hear them pipes, hold on. Y'all ready for the surprise? Y'all ain't ready for the surprise. I go my guy right back here. What y'all think, man? They only make this body style for 3 years, but they got changes to them. It's my baby, y'all. Y'all know I'm talking about tops, right? Yeah, man, what y'all think, though? I'm gonna give y'all a full walkthrough. That's my mechanic right there. I show him real quick. Cause see, when the car get finished, I'm gonna let y'all know everything. But right now, we kind of keeping it under wraps. It's kind of a secret. This how I got it, though. I'm gonna let y'all guess what year it is. Now, when you're doing these, okay, so they made this car, this particular body style, 3 years, 78, 79, 80. I'm gonna let y'all find out what year it is. I'm giving y'all clues so you'll know what year it is. My guy right here, though, he got them T-tops too, though. Ugh. I would show y'all his car collection, but I'm gonna let him show y'all his car collection when he ready. Look at that. Oh, man. Ooh. I really love this right here, though. I don't even know how to use that thing. Bro gonna have to show me how to use that gear shift.
You gotta pull that little latch up.
Like that. Oh my God, we're gonna need some roofing in here. Look at all that. Look at all that. I'm showing y'all everything, y'all. Everything. Look at all that, man. I was supposed to film it getting off the tow truck. I took a picture, but I was so excited. And then I was doing something with my son too at his school. The tow truck man beat me to go pick it up, so I couldn't film it getting off the tow truck. But doors flush. We need a mirror there. We're gonna do a complete walk around. Y'all remember how ugly this bitch is now? This whole ugly, but she's sexy. I ain't never had no maroon or red car. It's my first time. I love them wheels right there. Them caps. Those be heavy on them G bodies. I used to have problems with every G body I had, and it would always be the passenger door would not shut all the way. Piss me off. Y'all see it. Weather strips. Fits on G Body 78 through 88 Monte Carlo, Cutlass, Regal, and Grand Prix. They all the same cars. A lot of people don't know that. It's got a gauge right there, so she used to do something. Seats. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Get in them comments. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I don't care nothing about y'all knowing my tags. Them probably won't even be on there no more. I don't know if I want antique tags. I don't know about that, y'all. We had to put some regular tags. Man, that sun beaming today, which is what we wanted. It's warm, y'all. It's been cold down here in the south, man. Freezing. Up on that sucker, man. Thermostat cap. Ooh-wee. That thing say Crime Stopper on it. Yeah, that's an old alarm system. She was something once before. We got a long way to go, y'all. This is it though, man. T-tops. He put this sucker back together. He painted it and everything. About time to get redone. But shit, he got so many cars and so many projects, man. He can do it the hell he want to when he want to do it. That sucker busting. Yeah, man. Get y'all a clear shot. What we playing with. Know that fender's been replaced. Got a light on that side right there. Let me see if I got the other one on the other side. Nope. Cause that fender been replaced. It came with the light. Can I show him the Cutlass? I'll show y'all something right now. I had a 72 Cutlass that my backyard was eating it. My backyard was killing it. I had went through a broke phase. I done had no money, so I had to sell that motherfucker. I'm glad I sold it to him. Here she go. She used to be mine. Ooh. Man, I should have kept this goddamn car. But we got T-tops. 72 cut, dog. I was gonna have all that replaced on the fenders and shit. This is my old girlfriend, and I let her go. I let her go because I had to get to the money, man. The car starts. Before I sold it to him, it was running. Wasn't running the best, but it was running. So yeah, man, that's what we got going on. You know what I'm saying? I'm in good hands. You know what I'm saying? And it's going the hell down. It's the first video of the I'm finna say Cutlass. Of the Monte Carlo. We finna order some heads, and we finna order a cam, shit, whatever else, man. One more look in the inside. Oh, I gotta give me some more signs. A little thing in the inside done popped out. Let's just walk around, see what I'm missing. I might, ooh, can I still unlock? I left the keys at the house. Hey, bro, I'm about to bring you the keys eventually, ain't I?
Ain't no key, you ain't got no key?
No, I do.
Ah, okay.
But I had to bring it to you.
You got a key.
Oh, shit, sure do. This is it. This is it. It's gonna be nasty, man. You know, I'm coming ham. Since kids, we coming ham. Since kids, we going crazy. Y'all don't even know what that is yet. Big things in store, big things popping. I could just walk around this car all day for no reason. Sometimes you gotta get lost in the sauce. That's a sound body though. I could get another door, but I doubt it. We might just pull it on out. That's where I'm at. We finna turn up.